The food pipeline entails of the post-harvest system and food losses, which is the neglected dimension in increasing the world food supply. The post-harvest system should be thought of as encompassing the delivery of a crop from the time and place of harvest to the time and place of consumption, with minimum loss, maximum efficiency, and maximum return for all involved. In the illustration, post-harvest starts after the producer, specifically the farmer, harvested their commodity. Food losses starts when that commodity step in at the first stage of the pipeline, which is the processing. During transportation and storage, chances of having food loss accelerated due to temperature and humidity. As the commodity goes to the processing, packaging, and marketing stage, there are possibilities of food loss due to contamination, which is not safe for consumer. As we go deeper, but the basic knowledge about post-harvest handling activities of the different crop is very crucial to food security and food safety of the consumer. We can avoid food loss if we give proper attention and handling to every stages of the food pipeline. Food losses vary with the stage of supply chain across countries. Accordingly, post-harvest losses in the world ranging 55%, approximately one-third of the food produced, worth about 1 trillion US dollar, is lost globally during post-harvest operations every year. According to Baldwin G. Jaloriena, PhD, the Executive Director of Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization, or the PhilMic, he said that post-harvest losses among major farm commodities in the Philippines range from 10 to 50%. In the Philippines, post-harvest losses of commodities represent a very significant loss of 10 to 50% of production output in developing countries. This means that 10% to 50% of all the land inputs and labor used to produce the commodities go to waste. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, there is an estimated 9 to 37% of food losses or waste in cereals and 27 to 42% of losses in fruits and vegetables from the production. As a student and a future agriculturist, I will produce a high quality variety of specific crop which is resistant to bacterial or molds infection, but also combined with proper and hygienic ways or use necessary materials for the protection of my commodity to prevent them from unnecessary factors which can deteriorate quality and quantity of the crop.